Picture this. You have diabetes, or someone in your family does, and you think you can never eat bread again. Just thinking about the smell of warm bread, fresh from the oven, brings that feeling of longing and even frustration. But what if I told you that this fear might be keeping you from living better, and that there are bread options totally different from what you're used to? Options that not only won't spike your blood sugar, but may actually help you control it? Stay with me, because today you'll discover that bread doesn't have to be the enemy on your table. Now, let me tell you something serious. The big problem isn't bread itself, but what the food industry has done to it. Have you ever stopped to think about how the bread you eat every day can impact your blood sugar? For people living with diabetes, choosing the right bread isn't just about taste, but about health. Every day, many people face the difficult decision of choosing something delicious that won't harm their blood sugar control. If you deal with this daily, you know how frustrating it can be to look at breakfast and wonder if that option will be a friend or enemy to your health. But wait, today I'm going to show you 5 types of bread that are not only tasty, but may also help keep your blood sugar levels more stable, and I'll teach you simple recipes to make at home. Before we continue, I want to suggest something fun. Let's create a chain of positive messages. Write at least 3 messages wishing health to the next person. This helps the video reach more people who need this information. When I see your comment, I'll give it a heart. That's why it's important to watch until the end. I promise you'll discover little-known but very useful information. But before talking about the best breads, we need to understand what to avoid. Some foods can interfere with blood sugar control and your feeling of fullness. For example, processed breads with white flour and refined sugar, which can cause blood sugar spikes, leaving you hungry faster. It's also important to watch out for breads with many additives or preservatives, which, while seeming harmless, can interfere with digestion and metabolism. If you eat these foods regularly, you need to consider reducing them today. Another common habit is overdoing bread at breakfast or snacks, without combining it with proteins or healthy fats, which increases the risk of blood sugar swings. We also have processed whole grain breads that, despite seeming healthy, often contain mixtures of refined flours and hidden sugar. Avoiding these breads doesn't mean giving up flavor, but seeking smarter alternatives. Which of these habits do you think is hardest to change? Comment below. I want to know your experience. Now that you know what can hurt, it's time to learn about breads that can really help. Research suggests that some alternatives different from traditional wheat can help not only maintain more stable blood sugar levels, but also provide more satisfaction. The first is quinoa bread. Quinoa is considered a superfood, rich in complete proteins and fiber, something rare in plant foods. Studies suggest that quinoa flour has a moderate to low glycemic index, typically ranging from 53 to 55, and can be a good option for people with diabetes. Recent research indicates that quinoa bread may help with blood sugar management due to its excellent nutrient profile, containing considerable amounts of fiber and minerals, and rich in antioxidants. One slice of quinoa bread at breakfast or as a snack helps maintain stable energy without causing blood sugar spikes. Try it with scrambled eggs or avocado, and comment here. Which combination would you try first? The second is flaxseed bread, known for its richness in fiber and omega-3. Research shows that flaxseed may slow the absorption of sugar in the blood, which may reduce blood sugar levels, making it particularly helpful for people with type 2 diabetes. Taking flaxseed by mouth might slightly improve blood sugar control, with benefits seeming greatest with ground flaxseed when used for at least 12 weeks. Clinical studies underscore its potential in enhancing glycemic control, improving insulin sensitivity, and reducing inflammation. Long-term consumption of flaxseed reduced blood glucose and triglycerides in patients with type 2 diabetes. Toasted flaxseed bread with cottage cheese or guacamole makes a quick, nutritious, and tasty snack. If you know someone who would love this tip, share this video with them right now. The third bread on the list is oat bread, rich in beta-glucans, a fiber that slows carbohydrate absorption and helps control blood sugar spikes. Oats are considered one of the best grain options for people with diabetes, providing excellent fiber and vital nutrients. You can start your day with a slice of oat bread, peanut butter, and some fruit, or prepare light sandwiches for afternoon snacks. This bread helps maintain stable energy and increases satisfaction. Question for you: do you prefer to start your day sweet or savory? Comment below. I want to see your choice. Extra tip: toasting oat bread and adding a little cinnamon or chia makes breakfast tastier and more nutritious. The fourth bread is chickpea bread, rich in proteins and fiber, with a lower glycemic index than traditional bread. Processed grain alternatives can offer low glycemic index benefits when eaten in moderation and may provide additional nutrients. This means it releases sugar into the blood more slowly, avoiding spikes. You can prepare sandwiches with fresh vegetables or even simple homemade recipes. In just a few minutes, you'll have nutritious and tasty bread, ideal for those who want to vary their diet without compromising blood sugar. Did you know that varying bread types can improve your satisfaction and reduce the urge to snack between meals? If you've tried any alternative bread, comment on your experience. The fifth and last bread is almond bread, naturally low-carb and rich in healthy fats. Studies suggest that almond flour is very low on the glycemic index, with an index less than 1, so there will be little effect on blood sugar. Additionally, almond flour is high in protein and very flexible for use in sweet or savory recipes. Almond bread with scrambled eggs or healthy spreads is a practical, delicious, and nutritious meal. Plus, it's versatile, can be used for sandwiches, toast, or even healthy mini pizzas. If you know someone who follows a low-carb diet or has diabetes, tag that person in the comments. Sharing information can help more than you imagine. Meanwhile, tell me, which bread will you test first? Write in the comments, and let's make this chain of healthy information together. When I see your comment, I'll give it a heart. Now that you know the 5 scientifically backed breads, quinoa, flaxseed, oats, chickpea, and almonds, remember, the secret isn't just replacing traditional bread, but combining smart choices with proteins, good fats, and fiber to keep blood sugar more stable. Imagine your breakfast or snack transformed into a meal that satisfies, nourishes, and still helps control sugar spikes. Each slice can be a small victory in your wellness routine. In 1 minute, you'll understand how these choices can reduce hunger between meals. But that's not the best part. The tip I'm about to give can change how you prepare sandwiches with homemade recipes for 2 delicious breads. Quinoa bread recipe: 1 cup cooked quinoa, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder, salt to taste. Mix everything, pour into a small greased pan, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Consumption tip: slice for breakfast, toast, and add scrambled eggs or avocado. What topping would you put on your first slice? Comment below. Flaxseed bread recipe: 1/2 a cup of flaxseed meal, 3 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, salt to taste. Mix, place in a small greased pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Consumption tip: this bread is great for quick snacks with cottage cheese or guacamole. If you try this recipe, take a photo and share with friends. Who would you tag to try it too? These 5 options already show that it's definitely possible to eat bread without guilt and still take care of your health. But now comes the practical part. How to include these breads in your daily routine intelligently. It's not enough to just replace one bread for another. You need to think about combinations that prolong satisfaction and avoid blood sugar spikes. For example, whenever possible, combine your chosen bread with proteins like eggs, light cheeses, or shredded chicken, and also with good fats like avocado, olive oil, or seed butters. This helps balance the meal and keep your energy levels stable longer. By the way, tell me in the comments, which of these combinations would you like to try first? Another important point is quantity. Many people believe that just because bread is healthy, they can eat too much. The key is always balance. 1 or 2 well-accompanied slices can be enough for a satisfying breakfast or snack. If you're someone who can't give up daily bread, choose quality instead of quantity. And if you know someone who overdoes bread because they think it doesn't hurt, send this video to that person now, because they need to hear this. Speaking of practicality, did you know that some of these breads can be prepared at home in just minutes? Almond bread, for example, can be made with just almond flour, eggs, and baking powder, resulting in a quick, nutritious recipe perfect for anyone wanting something uncomplicated. Chickpea bread can be made with flour or even cooked chickpeas, ensuring more fiber and flavor. Testing recipes at home can be fun. Plus, it allows you to have complete control over ingredients. If you'd like me to bring videos with step-by-step recipes for these breads, comment below with the word recipe, so I know you're interested. I know it can sometimes be difficult to change habits, especially when French bread or sandwich bread are so present in daily life. But think with me, each choice is an investment in your long-term health. It's not about giving up the pleasure of eating, but finding alternatives that combine flavor and benefits. Believe me, after you try these options, your taste buds adjust, and you miss traditional breads much less. Share this video with that family member who always says, "I can't live without bread," because this might be the motivation they needed to change. If you live with diabetes and are looking for natural alternatives that can contribute to your daily routine, I want to introduce you to a dietary supplement that has been used as complementary support by many people. It brings together traditional compounds studied for their properties that may help balance blood sugar. Many reports show positive experiences from those who included this supplement in their routine, always alongside medical monitoring and a healthy lifestyle. Remember, it's not medicine and doesn't replace treatment recommended by your healthcare professional, but it can be a natural ally in healthcare. This supplement is 100% natural, safe, FDA approved for consumption, and can be a good option within a balanced plan. I'll leave the link to this supplement's official website in the first pinned comment of this video, in case you want to know more details. Now tell me, which of these 5 breads will you test first? Right here in the comments, because I read them all and want to know which one caught your attention most. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming content. Oh, and don't forget to share this video in iMessage groups or with friends who also want to learn to control blood sugar by eating better. Every comment, every share, helps spread this information to more people who can benefit. This content is for educational purposes only. Always consult your doctor before making dietary changes. Results may vary between individuals. This does not replace professional medical guidance. And you who watched until here, congratulations. For me to know, comment, "I watched until the end." When I see it, I'll give a heart. Now there's a video appearing that I prepared especially for you. Click on it and watch now. There I teach more recipes and strategies to control blood sugar naturally, without giving up flavor.